A short time back I talked about the Umidigi A3 entry-level budget phone. This is definitely not the smartphone you want if you're a tech enthusiast or even just somebody like me who just needs something that'll get the job done. But it will work for grandma, grandpa, mom, or dad if you're a little older. People who just want to post something on Facebook, take a few snapshots of the grandkids, and that kind of thing. Well, today we have a hands-on from Ben over at Ben's Gadget Reviews, and he also does, it's a dual hands-on. He talks about the Umidigi Z2 Pro, which is, as far as I'm concerned, overpriced for what you're getting. So let's get to that right now. We'll do the intro, because there seemed to be quite a bit of interest in this phone, and I'll show you where you can get it for 79 bucks, at least for the next 4 days. Alright, let's do that. Alright folks, I'm back. Back in October, I talked about the Umidigi A3 before anyone had a hands-on or anything. I was just looking, 5.5-inch screen, etc., etc. You can find all of that in the description below, which I mentioned in the intro. It's a good phone for grandma, grandpa, or mom or dad, depending on your age. Somebody who just needs a smartphone to get on Facebook, etc. Take some pictures, snapshots, and all that good stuff. Of course, we have the specs. It's got a presumably dual camera setup. And dual SIMs plus a micro SD card slot, and it does do all the bands, so all well and good. And let's get right to the price right now. 79 bucks for the black and Gear Best, and 79 bucks for the gold version. It does have a fingerprint reader. So now let's get to the meat of the matter here. Ben over at Ben's Gadget Reviews, who's one of the reviewers I trust. He does great reviews. He did kind of a double unboxing here. The Umidigi Z2 Pro, and inside this big box here is the A3. He'll give you the straight up goods on it, hands on, get right to the point, all that good stuff. So that's all I have. I mean, there really isn't much else to say. Everything I'm talking about will be linked in the description below the video, or I don't know how else you'd find it. We're gonna go with that, and that's all I got for tonight. Quick, dirty, easy. Have a great night. We'll have some more stuff tomorrow.